also use this opportunity to give people health messages. For example, for them to have regular medical checkup, even if they are not feeling unwell, they need to at least have contact with the health system, because by so doing, there's chance that some of the diseases will be caught early and then they are addressed before they cause complications. The other thing is that my other appeal is the leaders in the community to ensure that people from time to time are exposed to health information that would enable them to change their way of living and also to know where to go when they have health problems.
We have seen people coming hungry, feeling hungry, and actually we set aside funds to feed all our patients. Many have traveled from very long distances to come. Number two, many people are grappling with sicknesses that have never been attended to. Why? Because when they are referred to hospitals or more specialized treatment, the facilities are located very far from Ivukula. And if you are grappling with poverty that you can hardly feed yourself, then traveling for health is really a pipe dream. So we think we have to do a lot more in economic empowerment, because when people do not have the money, they actually cannot, even if you tell them that you have a heart disease, which could kill you in a month, if they don't have the money to transport them to Iganga, they will surrender and just die.
Mental illness can mean having a panic attack.
This amazing camp in Ivukula in Namutumba district, which not only has supported health, but also education. We need to change the mindset of the young people. Uganda has a big population of young people, but they need to understand that mindset change starts with them, that they have the capacity to do whatever they can to be successful.